Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Find the area of a circle of radius 30 centimeters. You find the area of circle. We given radius 30 centimeters and you use pi value is 3.14. Let's see the solution. Given radius is equal to 30 centimeters. And what we find? Area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. So, pi value is 3.14. 3.14 into radius. R value is 30. So, 30 square. So, 3.14 into 30 square is 900. You multiple with 3.14 into 900. So, first you remove the digit. Then you directly multiple. 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0. 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0. 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. That means 282600. So, here 2 digits before a point. So, here you put the digit 2 digits before a point. That means 2826 square centimeters. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.